What's up guys, welcome back to the video. This time we're going to be doing another Animal Company video. So now we're going to follow you. Oh wait, I think there was a new guitar update, like a music update.
No, like seriously, who wants to go out there for a surprise?
Hold on, wait, I think I didn't update my game. Yeah, I'm supposed to update.
You should go over there. You should go out the safe zone. Guys, go out the safe zone. Okay.
I have to update my game. Come on, hurry. Bro, I'm gonna sing Quibble. Come on, hurry! Animal Company, I have to play. Okay, there we go. Look, pine trees, pine cones, something like that. I don't know. Palm trees, coconut trees. I don't know. Yeah. Hey guys. Oh. There we go.
Thank you so.
Okay.
Froggy, you come back? Ready. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la.
All the games.
Hey, yo, back up!
What the big butt?
Are you like?
Hey, what the hell?
Oh, red.
Let me buy just a little rocket launcher.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. So big and strong.
Yo, Froggy!
Before you died of my items.
Froggy! Oh! Froggy, meet my kid!
Froggy,
Meet my kid!
No! No!
Yes! Oh,
Please!
shit. Well, my son is adult now. Right, son?
Stop
I got it.
Don't
Want
call
to
me.
become really big or?
Hello?
Yeah, really big. I want to become really small.
B15 for talent show.
Froggy!
B15 for talent show.
Froggy, where you
I
at?
repeat, B15 for talent
Hi,
show.
Froggy.
big game.
Froggy, you wanna know something, Froggy?
Bro, Froggy, can I have a
Froggy,
Froggy? Can I have a ukulele? Can I have a ukulele?
Back the fuck up.
Froggy,
you wanna know something?
Froggy, can I have a ukulele?
Why are you guys all over Froggy? You wanna know something?
I'm going to
You
do.
wanna know something, Froggy? Feliz Navidad.
Froggy, can I have a ukulele? Can I have a ukulele, Froggy?
Why are you guys all over
Take
him?
two of these. Take two of these and then follow me.
Wait, give me one. How you get that? Where you get that? Give me one, please.
Can I have some?
It's on release.
No, it's not. It's literally right there.
Why is everyone
No,
Right there.
it's not on release. Dude, it's not on the release, bro. Dude, I need that.
Can someone give me an ukulele? Can
Guys,
someone give me an
here's
ukulele,
$20.
please? Can someone give me an ukulele?
Give me that shit.
Yo, little one.
You forgot it. That's my
Add me.
Or no, add you. Alright, let me add you.
I'm gonna go to. Guys, let's go to sewers. Let's go to sewers. Let's go to sewers.
Oh no, before you go to
Filled with
Hey guys.
stash grenade.
Servieto.
Okay, let's go.
Can someone say hi to me?
Oh wait, I can't say anything.
Damn, can someone say hi to me?
No!
La 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 la.
Not to start this thing all over.
Hilton.
Feliz Navidad.
Okay.
Feliz Navidad.
Modded lobby.
No, I'm on cooldown.
You found him in body.
Feliz Navidad.
Release the baby.
Feliz Navidad. Feliz
Oh, my thing's over there.
Navidad.
Right.
Feliz Navidad.
Skeleton.
Let's get.
Skeleton, stop doing
It's
that.
gone.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Last over.
Why you call me your mom?
Cause you're my mom.
I said hi.
I'm not.
Hey, hey, hey. Hey, you red. You're gonna play, you're gonna, come here, come here.
You black.
You're gonna play on the, you're gonna play right there, and
Crowbar.
your bodyguard.
And then a pew pew, and then
Free.
oh,
Yes. Yes.
actually,
Yes.
wait.
You want to go to the moon
Oh, I have
with
two
me?
crowbars.
I'm gonna go to the moon. Hold on, let me
Okay.
show come over here.
Wait.
Come, let's go to. Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna need a flashlight.
I got a body.
Let's go.
Where's your body?
I have to go to the middle.
Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna kill some mobs. Oh, bro, I hate that.
Hold on. I think I killed someone.
Where are the turkeys at? Oh, I missed. Oh,
Where are you?
keep missing. Oh, he died. Okay.
Wait, blue.
I can't see.
Come on.
I can't.
I'm coming.
I'm out of ammo.
You gotta have one. You gotta have.
Dude, where did you come from? Okay, let's go. I could barely see anything, bro. Whoa, licorice sticks.
Come on, sit up.
Uh-oh. Oh, Mimic! Mimic!
I'm in it.
Get him, get him, get him! Get him, get him! I'm running away. Hacha!
Where'd he go?
Ow, ow. Get him! Nice. Okay, let's see. Oh, crossbow. I don't need. Okay, let's go. Oh, dead end. Another dead end. So go this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
This way.
Oh, okay.
I'm scared. This way. Never mind.
Yeah, dead end.
This way.
Let's go, Froggy. Oh, yeah, this way.
Mariachi.
What?
Oh look, there's another way over here.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, black skeleton. You wanna join a private club?
Get on the roof. Get on the roof. Don't move. Don't move. I'm trying behind you. Who did that?
Okay, I died.